Hey there, Tamir from FibonacciTraders.com, your daily market recap. Like, subscribe, and let's see those bears burning out. So we can say with the highest probability, bears of the market are burned to the ground. Now it's bulls time. Bulls yesterday, 1.4 to the upside. Now we are having this trend line that goes way back to September of 2022. As you can see, it was resistance over here, support, resistance, resistance, support, resistance, and yesterday closed the high of the day on this trend line. Always follow the trend. The trend is your friend. This is what they mean. Trend lines, no other indicators, breaking up and above. We are heading towards new all-time highs at the 480. Above it, we will see 500 on the SPY. Can we get 500 on the SPY before the end of 2023? 5 more percent to the upside. 5 is the Fibonacci number. QQQ, you know this broadening formation, massive broadening formation. We have discovered this broadening formation a few days back, and here we are at the upper border of this broader formation. Qs also closed the day almost at the high of the day, got rejected a little bit because we have this broadening formation. Bullish continuation where Qs might be heading next. Don't guess, never guess. This is not a guessing game. What you need to do is take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. Now you can see that yesterday the resistance is 405. It's the Fibonacci extension. Fibonacci extension meaning future resistance for price action. We have this trend line as resistance. We have the 405 Fibonacci level. So all this area is a very tough resistance. Bullish continuation. Next, we will see 424 to the upside on the Qs. Dow Jones, bulls of the Dow are here and are here to stay after several days. Sideways move. Came yesterday. Dow closed at the high of the day. Now 374 is next. Above it, where Dow might be heading next. Zoom out. Look at the weekly. Next for the Dow is, believe it or not, we are already new all-time highs on the Dow. Now you ask yourself, okay, so where the Dow might be heading next, because we have nowhere to look left, right? This is why we use Fibonacci. You take Fibonacci from swing low to swing high, and Fibonacci is your best friend for future support and resistance for price action. And as you can see, next we're heading towards the 380. We can be a little bit more accurate. Next will be 375, and then 380 to the upside. IWM 3.4% yesterday to the upside. Yesterday for me, maybe it's still today for you. December 13th will be remembered as the day where bulls burned out all the bears. IWM straight towards the 197-200 area. Above it 202, 207, and 212. Bitcoin, let's go on the 4 hours chart. Yesterday, pre-market preparations live. We talked about this double bottom, multi-bottom scenario. Now 42,700 is the support. Next will be the 44,500. Ethereum also trying to bounce. Now the 22,90 is the resistance. Let's see if bulls of Ethereum can continue to the upside, and then we will see 2360 and 24 to the upside. By the way, if you find anything on this video helpful, educational, you're more than welcome to hit the like, subscribe, and of course, don't forget to hit the notification bell as we are going live each and every day, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. We prepare for the next day, for the coming day, trading day, Q&A. You can ask me anything. So come along, bring friends every day, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Gold inside this uptrend channel. Let's see continuation towards the 2070. Crude oil still sliding down. This red zone sliding down until proven otherwise. KRE 5.9% to the upside. Ladies and gentlemen, bulls are here. Bulls are strong. Small caps are getting a lot of money coming in. We are seeing a shift from the money from the big caps, from SPY and Qs into the IWM, into the small caps, Russell 2000, and trend lines. You know these trend lines, you know this channel, and here we are at the upper border of this channel. Now let's see bulls continuing its mania run. And you remember we have talked about KRE few weeks back. We have a double bottom scenario, and now this double bottom is getting validated each and every day, breaking up above this channel. We are heading towards the 57 gap over here. Natural gas continue its way to the downside. Nothing much on the natural gas, going back to where it was towards the 2.06. SOXX super strong after breaking above the 524 area. All this area was a very tough resistance, as you can see. Few days back, broke up above Monday. It broke up above, continuation to the upside. You know these levels. We drew these levels few days back, and now this is another perfect example of why we trust Fibonacci to let us know where price might be heading next in the future. It gives us future resistance for price action. The highest probability to get the most accurate support and resistance levels for price action is Fibonacci. All other indicators, without any doubt, all these indicators, moving averages, RSIs, MACDs, Bollinger Bands, all these millions of indicators, they follow price. They are all, without any exceptions, VWAP, AVWAP, all these letters, they are all lagging behind price. So why and how can we rely on something that is lagging? We cannot. We want to know with the highest probability where price might be heading next from here. We need to ask ourselves, what if price will continue above the 552? Where price might be heading next? This is why you have Fibonacci. Fibonacci is not an indicator. Fibonacci is not lagging. Fibonacci goes infinite to the future. So check the links in the description below. Stop following others. Stop following lagging indicators. Become your own indicator. Become a professional technical analyst. And most importantly, how to trade. There is a big difference between understanding chart, knowing how to look at the chart, and where price might be heading next and how to trade it. This is a big difference. So if you want to become a better trader, professional trader, use and learn in-depth candlestick analysis with the relationship with Fibonacci and trend lines. Whether you want to be day trader, swing trader, you still can hold your 9-to-5 job and be a professional swing trader. You don't need to choose. You can be a professional swing trader or long-term holder and still keep your 9-to-5 job. You want to know how? Check the links in the description below. Let me take you on this magnificent trading journey. I will teach you everything that you need to know and more until you will become a better trader, professional trader. Of course, lifetime access for support and guidance, English or Hebrew. Choose your path, choose your program, choose your financial freedom. Apple breaking up above this broadening formation, new all-time highs on Apple, almost. Now, where Apple might be heading next? Ask Fibonacci. Swing low, swing high, and there you have it. 200, 205, and then 220. Meta, relative weakness, but still inside this purple uptrend channel. Tesla, trying and still holding the 233. Very important area of support, but this area of resistance, all this red zone, still very, very tough area of resistance until we won't see at least a weekly close above this zone. Tesla, we don't take long, and of course it's only my opinion. I share with you my opinion just for educational purposes only. I will not tell you what to buy, where to buy, what to sell, or where to sell. My only goal and my aim is to help you to become professional traders and stop following others to tell you what to do, what to sell, and where to buy. This is my only aim because I know it's a very tough and rough journey. 95% of all traders will fail in the first year. Let me help you. I've been there. I have done it. Let me help you. Help me help you. Google holding the 131. We have this gap. This gap needs to get filled, and then 135 and 140 to the upside. We do have here a double top scenario of this area. Breaking below the 190, below the 129, we will see 120 to the downside. Always prepare for both sides. Never be biased. Never. The worst thing you can do to yourself is be biased for one direction, long or short. Never be biased. Always prepare to the upside and prepare to the downside. How? Need to learn risk management and the psychology behind trading. AMD, Doji, AMD is relaxing after this massive bull run. 131.40 is the support. Next, 145, and then this orange trend line. Nvidia, 1% to the upside, breaking up above. Let's clean the chart a little bit with your permission. Let's clean it up. Let's take Fibonacci once again from this major support area towards the recent high. And now you can see why we trust Fibonacci. Yesterday, or December 13th, price tried, failed to close above the 480 Fibonacci area. Why? It was support over here, resistance over here, and now once again resistance. Long continuation above it towards the 505, but if Nvidia will break below this trend line, we are heading south towards this gap over here at the 423. Amazon 1% to the upside, finally breaking up and above this zone, which was a very difficult zone for Amazon to break up and above. Now breaking up above. So now this zone from resistance by default will need to hold as support. Next leg up towards the 151 and then 155. Shopify basically moving sideways, but bulls of Shopify for now are stronger than the bears. Bears had their chance, lost it. Now Shopify looks like heading towards this upper border of this massive broadening formation. Broadening formation is the only true formation you will find in price action on any time frame, on anything that you want to trade. Cryptos, Forex, ETFs, stocks, futures. It all comes down to candlestick analysis, aka price action, Fibonacci, and trend lines. You don't need multi-courses to know how to trade anything that you want. You need one program, only one program. The Fibonacci program will teach you. I will teach you. I guarantee you, I will teach you how to trade anything that you want on any time frame that you want. One-time payment for lifetime access, for support and guidance in all Discord channels. Netflix heading north toward this red line, breaking up and above, and we will see 550. Last but not least, Microsoft still moving sideways. Relative weakness on Microsoft. 370 needs to hold the support. 376 is the resistance. Breaking up and above, we will see 384 and then 395, 400 to the upside. So once again, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, educational. Don't forget to check the links in the description below. I will see you live 8:30 Eastern Time. Until then, stay safe.